Hello friends, let us move on to the axioms. So the axiom 6.1 says, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so formed is 180. If a ray stands on a line, suppose a line is this and a ray stands on a line, suppose this is a ray, then the angles formed are these, and the sum of the two adjacent angles, these are the adjacent angles because they share a common vertex and a common arm. Let us say the line is AB. Let us say the line is AB and the ray is C and the vertex is O and the vertex is O. Then they share a common arm OC, and the ray stands on the line AB, then the sum of the adjacent angles is equal to 180. Axiom 6.1 says this. So when the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180, then they are also called as linear pair of angles. So these pair of angles are known as linear pair of angles because the sum of angle 1 and angle 2, alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So it forms the linear pair of angles. This is important for solving the questions. Then the next axiom says, if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. Then the non-common arms. So for the axiom 2, let us say this is a line and this is a ray. Again, let us mark it as X, Y, P, Q. So the common arm is PQ. PQ is common arm making an angles alpha 1 and alpha 2. So they are saying if alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equal to 180 degrees, in this the resultant was alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equals to 180 degrees, but over here already it is being given in the axiom 6.2 that alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Then the non-common arms are xq and qy. Then the non-common arms are xq and qy. They form a line. So the common arm is PQ, Q is the vertex, and the non-common arms are XQ and QY. So these non-common arms, they form a line. So this forms my axiom 6.2. These both the axioms are important for solving the questions. Then comes the theorem 6.1 of NCERT. This theorem says, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are formed and those vertically opposite angles are equal. So the theorem 6.1 says, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So they form the two angles opposite to each other, which are known as vertically opposite angles, and those vertically opposite angles are equal, always equal. This theorem is also applicable in solving the the questions of the exercises. So this theorem is also important for solving the exercises questions. So let us prove this theorem. So theorem 6.1. So to prove what we have to prove? We have to prove angle AOD is equal to angle COB, and angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. So these are two intersecting lines. The first line is AB. First line is AB, and the second line is CD, and the second line is CD, and both the lines are intersecting, so they are forming the angles, opposite angles. So the first pair of opposite angles is AOD, which I have given with the two arrows or two lines over here. AOD, it is equal to COB, that we have to prove. And the second pair of vertically opposite angles are angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Okay. So for proving these angles, we will be using axiom 6.1. What will we be using? We will be using axiom 6.1. In the axiom 6.1, it is said, if a ray stands on a line AB, then the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. So over here, applying axiom 6.1, applying axiom 6.1. So ray OA stands on line CD. Ray OA stands on line CD. So from here I will be getting angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. From here I will be getting angle AOC plus angle AOD will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Then similarly OD, ray OD stands on line AB. So from here we will be getting angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. So let us mark it as equation 1. And here the equation 2. Okay, so combining combining 1 and 2, or you can write from 1 and 2, one and the same thing. What we will be getting? We will be getting, because both the RHS are equal to 180 degrees, both the RHS are equal to 180 degrees, so I can equate the LHS. So I can equate the LHS side. So I will be getting angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degrees. So if I take this 2 these, if I equate these two sides, my AOD gets cancelled, so I am left with angle AOC, which is equal to angle BOD. Okay, so I have proved this. The second equation is proved. Okay, so my first pair of vertically opposite angles are proved over here. Okay, a set of vertically opposite angles are proved. Now for proving the next vertical opposite angles, I'll be taking the rays. Again, I'll be taking the rays OA and OC. If I take the ray OA, then what I will be getting? Angle similarly OA stands on the line, so I will be getting again angle OAC plus angle AOD is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, and if I take the ray ray OC stands on line AB. So from here I will be getting angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so I'll mark it as 3, my equation number 3. Okay, so I'll mark it as equation number 3. So from equation combining combining 1 and 3, because RHS side again equal to 180 degrees, so I can equate the LHS side. So I'll be getting angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to angle AOC plus angle COB. So again the AOC gets cancelled, and ultimately I get angle AOD equal to angle COB. This forms my second pair of vertically opposite angles, which also comes out to be equal. So I have proved both the vertically opposite angles to be equal. So this is every time they are equal. So with the help of this concept, we have to solve the further questions. Somewhere in the exercise questions or in the questions asked in your examination, one value would be given and they would ask the other values to find out. So over there also we have to find out the values of the unknown angles with the help of these concept only. So here I prove vertically opposite angles to be equal, hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, so what I did, I applied the axiom 6.1, in which it says that if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. So first I took ray OA which stands on line CD, then I got angle AOC plus AOT is equals to 180 degrees. Then I took the axiom OD which stands on the line AB. See, ray OD stands on the line AB. So I got AOD and BOD is equals to 180 degrees. Then combining 1 and 2, I got angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOT plus angle BOC. Since AOD is common, when it will go at that side, it will become an off negative, it will come with the negative sign in the RHS, so it gets cancelled. So I am left with angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, and this forms my first pair of vertically opposite angles. Then I have taken ray OC. Then I have taken the ray OC which stands on the line AB. So I got angle AOC plus angle COB equals to 180 degrees. Then combining 1 and 3, angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to, I will be getting angle AOC plus angle COB. So angle AOC gets cancelled and I am left with angle AOD equal to angle COB. So here I got my second pair of vertically opposite angles, which comes out to be equal. Okay, so thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.